You're welcome. Okay. Yeah. Tonight we'll be talking about Runge-Kutta fourth order formula to approximate this given question, right? Yeah. So that is what we'll be talking about. So I want you guys to look at the board very well before we proceed to consider this. I'm going to explain one or two things, then I'm not going to finish it. We'll now move to stop somewhere. Then my next video, I'm going to break it down for you. Is that clear? Thank you. Look at the board. Okay. Yeah. It's simple as ABC. I'm going to break it down for you to understand it better. We'll do so for you. I'm going to do that for you. Is that clear? Okay. Yeah. So look at the board very well. At first, we need to consider this is the question given. Use Runge-Kutta formula of order 4 to approximate y when x equals to 0.2, given that y equals to 1 when x equals to 0 and dy over dx is equals to x plus y squared. Yeah, it's simple as ABC. I'm going to break it down for you. Then at first we have to consider the formula. This is Runge-Kutta order 4. Sorry, Runge-Kutta order 4 formula is order 4 formula. Yeah, is given as y subscript n plus 1 equals to n plus 1 all over 6, open bracket k1 plus 2k2 plus k2 k3 plus 4k close bracket, where k1 is equals to hf of x of n comma y of n close bracket, k2 is equals to hf open bracket x of n plus h all over 2 comma y of n plus h all over 2 close brackets. Then while k3 is equals to hf open bracket x of n plus h all over 2 comma y of n plus k2 all over 2, and k4 is equals to hf open bracket x n plus h comma y of n plus h times k3. Then we now say let n equals to 0 and y not equals to 0, x not equals to 0, y not equals to 1, h equals to 0.1. I know you don't understand why this, and this. I'm going to break it down for you. Is that clear? Do you understand? I'll be very glad. Okay. It's okay. So let's look at it together. At first, why? Because we are talking about approximate. So it means we are going to iterate. Is that clear? So when n is equals to 0, it means our y subscript n 0. True or false? The formula. Yeah, then let's ask ourselves this question. Here we have use Runge-Kutta formula of order 4 to approximate y when x equals to 0.12. When that is sorry, given that y equals to 1 when x equals to 0. When x equals to 0 and the 1 over the x is equals to this. So it means x subscript n comma y subscript n is equals to the function is this x subscript n plus y squared subscript n. So if now we say let n equals to 0, it means the function will now x naught comma y naught, isn't it? Which is equals to x naught plus y squared naught. True or false? Do you agree with me? Look at the board. You agree with me, right? Okay. So far, so good. So if you agree with me, it implies that this implies that. Let's come back to the question here. The question here, we have our, but before we do that, let me just show you how we got h. And I'm going to show you how y naught is equals to 1 and x naught is equals to 0. You know, h is always equals to xn plus 1 minus xn all over if it is up to 5 approximates the iteration. But here we are there. X naught is equals to what? 0. That is why you are saying x naught equals to 0, then y naught equals to 1. H is equals to this. So with that, you don't need a perfect to calculate this. So this implies that our f of x naught comma y naught is equals to x naught is what? 0. So 0 plus what? Y naught squared. So y naught is what? 1, which is squared. True or false? Do you agree with me? So here will now be equals to 1. True or false? This will going to give us 1. Yeah. True or false? Yeah. Do you agree with me? This will give us 1. So if you can see what I am saying, you don't need a prophet to tell you. So it is left for us to calculate this 1. Yeah. So it means our K1 is equals to what? H of f, which is equals, that is open bracket x subscript n times this. So you don't need a prophet to tell you. Here is already 0. What? 0.1 times 1 times this. So what you're supposed to have? You don't need a prophet to tell you. So, gentlemen and ladies, this is how you are going to break it down. In my next video, we are going to continue. Is that clear? Thank you and God bless you. Like and watch, subscribe, share. Bye. Love you guys.